Natural remedies to control herpes outbreaks and canker sores. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. You know, the herpes virus is known to cause cold sores, genital herpes, herpes zoster, also known as shingles, post-herpetic neuralgia, where after you have a herpes outbreak, there's still pain that lingers for months afterwards, sometimes years. And some herpes viruses contribute even to canker sores, or known as aphthous ulcers in the mouth. And there are some antiviral drugs that can help during the attacks of herpes outbreaks. But there's also some nutrition and lifestyle factors people should be aware of. There are factors that will increase the risk of an outbreak. If your immune system gets weak and you have a fever, you have a cold, you have flu-like symptoms, often that will allow the herpes virus to start to proliferate. If you're under a lot of stress and you're weakened by stress, your cortisol levels are high, very often that can trigger it. Overtraining as an athlete as well can weaken the immune system and allow the herpes virus to manifest this way. Ultraviolet light from the sun or from tanning beds can trigger an attack on the skin. Trauma to the skin or their different tissues can actually allow the outbreak to begin. And eating foods that are high in arginine. The herpes virus loves arginine. So foods like peanuts and chocolate and almonds have a lot of arginine. They can trigger attacks as well. So there's some dietary considerations. Avoid foods that are high in arginine and consume foods that are high in the amino acid L-lysine, certain vegetables and legumes and fish and turkey and chicken, because lysine can sort of substitute for arginine, and then when the virus tries to use the L-lysine, it finds that it can't use it properly, so it stops the replication of the virus. Alcohol also has been linked to increased herpes outbreaks as well, weakens the immune system. So do refined sugars. There's some evidence maybe that aspartame makes people more susceptible to herpes outbreaks. It's best to have a more vegan type of diet if you can, because you're getting less arginine as a rule and more lysine. And eating some food, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, may decrease the synthesis of the herpes virus. In terms of supplements, studies have shown that using L-lysine at the right dose as a supplement can actually stop the replication of the herpes virus. Same with reishi mushroom extract. I also like what's known as the 14 mushroom blend that you can get from mushroomharvest.com, 2 teaspoons a day. Some other studies suggesting red marine algae, neem oil might be useful as well. For canker sores, you can get DGL licorice tablets and sort of swish it around in your mouth. Probiotics have been shown to be helpful for some people. I've been prone to canker sores myself. I found taking higher doses of vitamin D has made a difference. I took a supplement and I still take it. It really has made a huge difference. It has reishi mushroom extract, astragalus, the indole 3-carbinol, and milk thistle all in one. Made a huge difference. Reduced the recurrence of canker sores dramatically for me. And I also added the 14 mushroom blend from mushroomharvest.com. I now use 2 teaspoons a day. So that's been useful for me personally in terms of canker sores. But to understand the dosages and the rest of the story, click onto the link below and read my article called Natural Remedies to Control Herpes Outbreaks. This is stuff that medical doctors don't often follow. They don't tell you about it. It's not their area, nutrition and natural medicine. They don't look at it closely enough. But all the scientific references are at the end of the article, so you know you're getting only sound scientific information from me. I believe it'll help you tremendously. Now remember that at machinohealth.com you'll see my other research papers, footage from my live professional seminars, other videos and resources I've created. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. All of my research review papers and teaching materials have all the scientific references in them, so you'll know you're getting only evidence-based information on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should make machinohealth.com an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family members. Thanks so much for watching.